Welcome to the luxurious Hotel Okada Manila, an oasis of comfort and elegance in the vibrant heart of Entertainment City. This stunning resort seamlessly blends modern design with traditional hospitality, making it the premier destination for both leisure and business travelers. The resort boasts a sprawling outdoor pool area where crystal clear waters beckon guests for a refreshing swim. Surrounded by lush landscaping and inviting sun lounges, this tranquil oasis is ideal for relaxation or social gatherings. As day turns to night, the pool area transforms into a stunning spot for evening cocktails under the stars. Experience exquisite accommodations, where luxury seamlessly meets comfort. Each elegantly designed room offers stunning views of the sparkling Manila Bay or the vibrant city skyline. Spacious interiors feature modern furnishings, plush bedding, and premium amenities, ensuring a restful stay for every guest. Bathrooms are equally impressive, featuring elegant marble finishes and equipped with deep soaking tubs or rain showers, providing a perfect retreat after a day of exploration. For those seeking an elevated experience, exclusive suites offer personalized services and private lounges, perfect for business travelers or special occasions. The commitment to excellence is evident in the meticulous attention to detail, from the warm, attentive staff to the state-of-the-art technology available in each room. Whether visiting for leisure or business, this destination serves as a sanctuary of sophistication and style, ensuring that every stay is truly unforgettable. The fitness center features state-of-the-art equipment, including cardio machines and free weights. Expert trainers are on hand to support all fitness levels, from beginners to veterans. Join invigorating group classes or choose personalized training sessions, all designed to promote a healthy lifestyle while traveling. Experience rejuvenation and energy in the fitness center, where your journey to well-being begins. The spa is a serene retreat designed for ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation. Each treatment room offers a peaceful sanctuary, letting guests escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Explore a range of holistic therapies and signature treatments that blend traditional techniques with modern wellness practices. From soothing massages to revitalizing facials, every service is tailored to promote harmony and well-being. Relax in tranquil areas that invite you to unwind before or after your treatments, enhancing your overall experience. With a focus on personalized care, the spa offers a journey of serenity that refreshes the body and nourishes the soul. This elegant space features stylish barber chairs and soothing colors, providing top-notch amenities that ensure guests look and feel their best. The Kids Club is a vibrant haven designed for young explorers. This dedicated space features engaging activities and play areas, ensuring endless fun and creativity. With expert staff providing guidance and supervision, children can enjoy a range of experiences, from arts and crafts to interactive games. Safety and enjoyment are top priorities. allowing parents to relax, knowing their kids are in good hands. The Kids Club offers a unique experience where little ones can make new friends and create lasting memories. Discover the joy of play at the Kids Club, where adventure awaits. Dive into a world of luxury and fun, where parents can unwind at an exquisite spa or enjoy gourmet dining, all while knowing children are in a safe and entertaining space. With family-friendly amenities and beautifully curated activities, every moment spent here is designed for joy and relaxation. Create unforgettable memories together at Okada Manila. Explore the dining options, where culinary excellence meets stunning surroundings. Guests can indulge in a variety of flavors from around the world, with each restaurant providing a unique experience. From gourmet international cuisine to authentic Filipino delicacies, every dish is crafted with the freshest ingredients, transforming each meal into a delightful journey for the senses. For a casual yet sophisticated atmosphere, the bars at the hotel serve expertly mixed cocktails and a wide selection of beverages. One standout venue is the official restaurant, where every meal celebrates culinary artistry. Guests can relish an elegant atmosphere complemented by exceptional service that enhances the dining experience. Signature dishes highlight the finest local ingredients, offering flavors that are both innovative and authentic. Whether it's a romantic dinner or a family gathering, this restaurant promises unforgettable moments. Step into the Maharlika Club and Casino at Okada Manila, where excitement and elegance come alive under vibrant nightlife lights. This premier gaming destination offers a vast selection of table games and cutting-edge slot machines, ensuring endless entertainment for players of all levels. At Maharlika Club and Casino, every night is a thrilling celebration filled with unforgettable moments. Experience the vibrant nightlife at Okada Manila, where unforgettable parties and spectacular shows illuminate the evening. World-class entertainment captivates guests with stunning performances, from live music to dazzling dance shows, ensuring excitement for every taste. Themed parties create a lively atmosphere, turning each night into an extraordinary celebration filled with energy and joy. Thank you for joining this luxurious tour of Hotel Okada Manila, where elegance and world-class hospitality come together. With opulent accommodations, exquisite dining, rejuvenating spa treatments, and vibrant nightlife, this hotel offers something for every traveler seeking an unforgettable experience. If you found inspiration for your next luxury getaway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the journey through the finest hotels worldwide. Your adventure in luxury travel awaits, and there's so much more to explore.